Uncommon footage circulating on Russian social platforms has caught the eye of military analysts, showing what appears to be an attempt to attach a small interceptor drone to a MiG-29 fighter. The video, posted by the volunteer organization Project Archangel, depicts a quadcopter seemingly fixed beneath the wing of the aircraft using nothing more than basic zip ties, a method that immediately raises concerns about practicality, safety, and operational value. The drone is connected directly to the radar warning receiver housing of a MiG-29 SMT variant, a sensitive component of the aircraft. Experts note that such an arrangement would almost certainly prevent any in-flight deployment, as aerodynamic forces alone could damage the drone or compromise the radar system, even during takeoff. The clip concludes with another MiG-29 taking off, offering no evidence that the device was ever airborne. Introduced in the early 1980s, the MiG-29 remains a fourth-generation supersonic fighter in service with Russia and several other nations. Its twin RD-33 engines propel it to speeds exceeding 2,400 km per hour, while advanced flight control surfaces and a pulse Doppler radar enable the aircraft to track multiple targets simultaneously. Standard armaments include R-27 and R-73 missiles, rockets, and a variety of bombs, making it a versatile competitor to Western fighters like the F-18 Hornet. Project Archangel, founded at the onset of the Ukraine conflict, specializes in designing and deploying FPV drones. These systems have become widely used on both sides of the battlefield. Analysts have suggested that Archangel may receive some funding from Russia's Ministry of Defense, highlighting the overlap between private drone innovation and military experimentation. The organization claims its Interceptor drone can travel at 350 km per hour and reach distances of up to 50 km, though these figures have not been independently verified. Archangel has stated its current focus is the direct integration of drones onto fighter jets, using the MiG as a testbed. The group even hinted at targeting locations such as Kiev or Lviv, claims that appear implausible given the aircraft's operational limits and Ukraine's robust air defenses. Beyond questions of logistics, the technical concept itself is fraught with issues. Controlling an interceptor drone from a single-seat fighter cockpit is highly impractical. FPV drones require continuous operator input, a task incompatible with a pilot already managing the complex demands of high-speed flight. Archangel has also suggested that its team has been trained to fly a fighter jet, a statement more likely intended to provoke than to inform. While this display raises skepticism about immediate combat utility, it highlights a growing emphasis in Russia on counter-drone technologies. Efforts to develop airborne interceptors, loitering munitions, and drone targeting systems reflect a broader shift in military strategy, aiming to neutralize the growing threat posed by unmanned systems. Drones continue to challenge modern warfare, providing low-cost, precise strike capabilities that are often hard to counter. Traditional missiles are expensive relative to small UAVs, making drone interceptors an attractive, cost-effective solution. Although still experimental, integrating such drones onto fighters like the MiG-29 could eventually offer a more flexible and efficient method of neutralizing hostile UAVs, pointing to a future where manned aircraft and drones operate in tandem to dominate the skies.